Hey Chris, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now I'm at your website and I've copied your URL and I put it into a third-party tracker SEO scanner to check out your main heading tags. Now your heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of your title tag, your meta description, your H1 and H2 tags. Now your title tag is too long. You're getting marked down for this with Google. Your meta description looks good. It's right where it should be, and it's worded really well. Unfortunately, your H1 tag is where the keywords come in. Your keywords should be mentioning Bakersfield, remodeling, kitchen remodeling, things like that. And that's not being done there. So you are not ranking for that, and you do not even have an H2 header tag. Sorry about that. I use a third-party tracker called SERPtrack for keywords to see where you're ranking on Google. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page 1, and I get bids for them. And this is how your website is ranking on Google as of today for these keywords. Bakersfield remodeling contractor, Bakersfield remodeling company, and Bakersfield kitchen remodeling. Right now you are on page 3 and 5 on those two. You're not even in the top 100 on this. So we can fix this for you. We can get your website ranking on page 1 of Google. That's what we do. That's why I'm reaching out to you today. So if you could use more business, or if you have any questions, please respond to this email. Thank you so much.